Are you ready for second grade? So, we're going to talk about some things that you can do over the summer break to stay ready and to remember all that you've learned in first grade. First thing is reading. You need to read every single day. You choose. Read fiction. Read about a princess or a dragon, or read about magic tree houses or Pete the Cat, or read nonfiction. Read some facts about the ocean or sharks or flowers or places you would like to go. Choose whatever you want. As you read, remember, ask and answer. So good readers ask questions before, during, and after. Remember to use those who, what, when, where, why, and how question words as you're asking questions to yourself. Next, retell. We can all retell, but can you describe the character in your story? Can you tell me where the setting is, the when and where that story takes place? Can you describe it? Is it a cold winter day, or is it a hot day on the beach in the afternoon? Remember, describe. Can you describe events? Can you find that problem and the solution? Last, I want you to find those similarities and differences. It's so hard to remember how to do that. So remember, look at your topic, find things that are the same, and find things that are different. Maybe look at your characters in your story. What's the same about them? What's different about them? Math. So here's some things that we can do to keep up this summer. Practice those math facts. Practice adding and subtracting within 20. We can do that. You're going to get some flashcards, I think. So practice those math facts with those flashcards. Then practice word problems. Make up a word problem. Make it addition or subtraction. Maybe you have a missing number that you want to find. Maybe you have 3 numbers to add. Just practice all of those different types of word problems that we went over during our school year. 10 more and 10 less. Maybe you can even stump somebody, but find 10 more of 83, or find 10 less of 62. See if you can do it in your head. And then something new that we are getting ready to talk about that I want you to keep up with is time and coins. So we're going to be talking about that soon. But practicing looking at a clock and seeing what time it is. Can you tell me if it's 1 o'clock or if it's 11 o'clock? Can you tell me if it's 11:30? Then we're going to talk about coins. So why don't you find some coins this summer? See if you can find quarters and dimes and nickels and pennies. And then the last thing is writing. So write stories. Tell a story, a made-up story, or tell a story about where you went this summer or where you would like to go. Write about facts. Maybe you can write about your favorite animal or your pet or a place, or write about some facts about somebody you know. Maybe write about your mom or your dad or your cousin or grandma or grandpa, somebody that you know. But remember, as we write, we need to write in complete sentences. So make sure we have those 4 things that we've talked about: a capital letter, spaces between words, punctuation, and make it a complete idea. Then, as you write, we're no longer in kindergarten, so add details And use transition words. So write as much as you want. All right. And then the last thing, of course, we want you to practice all of those things in reading, math, and writing, but not all the time. So make sure you have some fun this summer.